baliw na baliw kayo sa research. Aanin nyo ba yung research? Ako, matalino akong tao, pero hindi ko maintindihan yung research nyo, puro research.
Now, we're not here to actually bash Mrs. Villar because she's actually making good points when it comes to the budgeting of different aspects, and the research was actually one of them. But we just want to highlight, or I just want to highlight the statement of Mrs. Villar wherein she questioned bakit nga ba kailangan ng research. And that is what we're going to focus on. Bakit nga ba kailangan ng research?
Puro research.
Psst! Tara! Aral tayo! Dali! Tara! Psst! In order to have a really rich and deep understanding when it comes to research, we'd have to take a look at how it is actually defined by some of the researchers, well-known researchers. So let's take a look at some of them. According to Pollitt and Beck, research follows a step-by-step process of investigation that uses a standardized approach in answering or solving a question. Okay? So this is according to Pollitt and Beck. Now, Pollitt and Beck is actually saying that research is a step-by-step process and it aims to solve a question. That is Pollitt and Beck. Now, if we take a look at how Sanchez defined research, it's actually mentioned that research is a continuous undertaking of making known the unknown. It entails an investigation of new facts leading to the discovery of new ideas, methods, or improvements. It is an attempt to widen one's outlook in life. It always proceeds from the known to the unknown. Thus, the end of research is to arrive at a new truth. So, according to Sanchez, okay, this time, research is actually making known the unknown, and it always proceeds from the known to the unknown. So, what Sanchez is actually trying to say is, we may be knowing things, but within the things that we know, there are still a lot of things that we don't know. Therefore, research is essential to actually make those things that we do not know known. And then we always arrive at a new truth. Okay? Now, let's take a look at how Bassi cited Coleman and Briggs. Research is a very careful investigation of something that purports to the contribution of additional or new knowledge and wisdom. Now, if we actually take a look at the first definition of research, which was according to Pollitt and Beck, it started out with, research is a step-by-step process. So that we use this process, this step-by-step process, in order for us to arrive at the answer to a question. And then it's followed by Sanchez, wherein we always have to find uh, the truth. It's always to arrive at a new truth. And now we go to how Coleman and Briggs are cited as Bassi, wherein research is a very careful investigation of something. So those are the things that I want you to highlight. Number one, it's a step-by-step process. Solving a question is a step-by-step process, according to Pollitt and Beck. According to Sanchez, research is a continuous undertaking of making known the unknown. Research, the aim of research is to always arrive at a new truth. And then we have Coleman and Briggs as cited by Bassi, wherein research is a very careful investigation of something. Now we will proceed with Alcantara and Espina as cited by Crawford, wherein research is a tested approach of thinking and employing validated instruments and steps in order to obtain a more adequate solution to a problem that is otherwise impossible to address under ordinary means. Now, the research that we will be doing according to Alcantara and Espina cited by Crawford cannot be answered, or it is impossible to be answered through ordinary means. Okay? The research that we will be doing will be using instruments, will be using a step-by-step process in order to arrive at the new truth. Okay? So that is what Crawford, how Alcantara and Espina, cited by Crawford, is saying. And then we have how Google defines research, wherein, according to Google, it is the systematic investigation into and study of materials and sources in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions. So these are the definitions of research, and try to reflect on these definitions. And as you reflect, try to arrive at your own definition. What is research?